Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey. Today we're finishing up a job in Heritage Springs in Trinity. This is a two-car garage, full check. This customer did not get baseboards, but we did put a polyaspartic top coat on this garage. So there was definitely a lot of prep involved. We had to remove two older coatings before we got back down to bare concrete aggregate. So the way this garage flows, the apron, there's no definitive edge. So we took the chips all the way out to the end of the apron. This color is Domino, which is a very nice bright color. It's very neutral. It's only black, white, and gray. This is the type of color you can't go wrong with. It definitely reflects a lot of light back up. So you put some LED lights in your garage and it really looks that much better even. So here's the color. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.